I am a Filipino. I am a disabled person. I was born blind and I never saw a light in my 18 years of existence. But that never hindered me to reach my dreams. Yes, I also dream to see the world, but still, I'm happy and contented of what I am now. Sometimes, people think that a blind person like me is a burden in the society. If being blind cannot do something for the good of the society, I may be blind, but I can use my heart and mind to do something for the society. I am a Filipino, and I have the right to belong.
I am a Filipino, a teenage mom as they call me, the talk of the town. Many people gossip about me, but despite of this, I still accept my mistakes and I'm willing to face the consequences of the mistakes we have done. I tell you that I can be called as a modern hero because of the sacrifices and endurances that I render for my children and to perform my obligations and responsibilities. So don't discriminate me. I have the right to belong.
I am a Filipino. I am a city government official. I belong to those who people think are evildoers. I am a responsible official. I am doing my job, serving the community and the country. I do my responsibilities as a treasurer of this municipality. So don't judge me with what you hear. Why don't you know me first? I may be a city government official, but still I am a Filipino. I have the right to be respected. I have the right to belong.
I am a Filipino. I retired as a teacher 5 years ago. As an old woman, people see me as a burden in the society. I have lots of contribution, but because of my age, people see me as nothing. I am an old woman, but still, I am a Filipino. I have the right to be respected. I have the right to belong.
I am a Filipino. Nerd is what they call me. Nerd is being ridiculous because we wear unfashioned clothes and weird eyeglasses. Many people criticize us. They think that we are stupid because we are very conscious to the environment. Society must respect us because we are also God's creation. We have the right to be respected and be part of the community, and we have the right to belong.
I am a Filipino. Look at me. I wear this kind of outfit. That's why they call me Adi. They laugh at me. They criticize me. They never thought that there's something good in me. They never give me hope. Why don't you just understand me and respect me? I am a Filipino. I have the right to be respected and I have the right to belong.
I am a Filipino Muslim, helping to bring my friends closer to Allah. After all, I've got my own struggles to deal with all the people around me. I'm trying to explain why I pray to hostile teachers, standing in front of the class when the professor attacks Islam, which is discrimination to us. Sometimes, I'm wondering if I belong in this society. But now, I knew that I have the right to be respected and I have the right to belong.
I am a Filipino. Working as a caregiver is a tough job, but most people never understand me. They laugh at me. They make silly jokes about me. They never bother to appreciate my effort. Do you not know that I'm working to feed my family? I have a noble profession, and I'm proud of it. I may be a caregiver, but I am still a Filipino. I have the right to belong.
I am a Filipino. I'm a rebel with reasons. I tried taking drugs, but I'm not a drug addict. I do whatever I want. I go wherever I want. I dress up like a bitch, but who cares? I live life the way I want to live it. I'm just rebellious, not selfish. I take chances, but no one gave me the opportunity to prove myself that I can be better than this. I'm still human. I also have the heart. Help me and give me the chances to change for the better. For in this world, I have the right to belong.
I am a Filipino.
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 I am a Filipino.